Hello there, Derek RV Guru here. Hope all is well. Today we are working on a 2 terabyte SanDisk Extreme Pro solid state external drive. It's from a local customer here in Hingham, Massachusetts. They had us going out and pick it up for free. The customer filled out the form and he's describing that he was copying files from to another SanDisk SSD, which is this. This is what's his backup, but he didn't get a chance to do it properly because it failed at 20%. He formatted the backup, which is this guy. Then he plugged the SSDs back in there, and the damaged SSD is no longer mounting and showing a drive letter. He can see it in this management, which is normal because the controller probably still has some life in it, but the NAND flash is not showing up. He was using Windows 11. He tried on another laptop, same thing. So we went and picked it up, we tested, same thing. We plug it into our computer, it doesn't mount. Then we remove the cover here gently. Always start from this side if you want to remove it gently so you don't damage any component. Just be very careful, okay? I'll show another drive what's going on with these guys. So here we have another from a different customer this month. Same disk, SanDisk Extreme Pro, but this one is a 1 terabyte, okay? So gently pry the cover open, and then we use multimeter to start probing around to see which components are damaged, okay, on the main SSD board. If you have experience in your test, you're gonna see that most of the times it is one of those chips here that's damaged, typically towards the back or the power management IC, which is this big chip. So in order to get the solid state to work, we either have to reflow, replace one of those chips, or we will need a donor, a fully compatible donor with the same code here for this power management IC. We'll have to take this one out if it's damaged and replace it with a chip from a compatible solid state that you'll have to buy from somewhere else. So this kind of problems are very common on this SanDisk Extreme Pro solid states as well as WD SanDisk external drives, because WD has acquired SanDisk a few years ago, so they're basically rebranding SanDisk as WD product. So that's what's going on. So we tested with the multimeter, we found the culprit, we did a reflow, and we got it to work. So the same problem that this solid state has, it was the same problem with the 2 terabyte that we're working on now. Okay, so now that we solved the electronics problem, we connected to our DIPSPAR. I'm gonna power on, and you see the SSD is gonna work now. It's gonna initialize correctly. Boom, see, there you go. Okay, we're gonna run a scan, and here are the files here for the customer. Full recovery, the customer is happy.